Lazy Daisy is one of my favourite stitches. Here's how you stitch it. Bring the needle up at your starting point and then back through the same hole, keeping hold of a loop of thread. This can be however long or short you need your stitch to be. Bring the needle up just inside the loop and gently draw the thread through. Make a small stitch over the loop to fix it in place. Again, bring your needle up at the start point and back down again in the same place, keeping a loop of thread out. Bring the needle up just inside the loop and anchor the stitch.